For centuries, the void between stars has been a realm of mystery, a silent and inaccessible cosmos shrouded in the darkness of space. However, this notion of a silent, untouchable cosmos has been shattered once more, not by chance or accident, but by something deliberate, something approaching at an unprecedented speed. A comet, but not just any comet. This comet is different. It's hurtling through the cosmos faster than any interstellar object ever recorded. Its massiveness, brightness, and deep, ominous red glow are testament to its age. Its trajectory points directly towards the heart of our solar system, setting the stage for a cosmic collision that has sent scientists scrambling for answers. The James Webb Space Telescope, along with a network of ground-based observatories, has sounded the alarm. This isn't just another cosmic rock. It's the third object in history to pierce the veil of interstellar space and enter our domain. And the data it carries, its shape, its composition, its impossible trajectory, might be telling us something we're not ready to hear. For 6 long years, nothing had breached the solar bubble, but that's all changed now. On a quiet July night, the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile detected something unusual, an object moving fast through the direction of the Sagittarius constellation. At first, it was just a faint blur, insignificant, maybe a leftover asteroid. But as more images came in, astronomers realized the truth. This was no local object. It was hyperbolic, on a one-way trajectory from beyond the solar system. The name 3I/ATLAS, the third known interstellar object, the third trespasser, and almost immediately the warnings began. With an eccentricity of 6 and a velocity of 58 kilometers per second, 3I/ATLAS is unlike anything we've seen before. It's not just passing through, it's cutting through our solar system with extreme speed and energy. A cosmic blade moving faster than both its predecessors. Its hyperbolic arc isn't just a visit, it's a slash across the fabric of solar equilibrium. But we know almost nothing about what brought it here, or what it carries with it. The James Webb telescopes, though not designed specifically for comet tracking, has joined other observatories in studying this anomaly. And what the data shows is unsettling. 3I/ATLAS is massive, 10 kilometers wide, making it larger than Borisov and Oumuamua combined. It reflects a strange spectrum of light, rich in carbon. But what truly puzzled scientists was its brightness. From late May to discovery, its magnitude jumped rapidly, and its tail, faint but measurable, spans over 25,000 kilometers. That's no dormant rock. It's active, awake, and it's old. Based on velocity models, 3I/ATLAS may be between 3 and 11 billion years old. That's older than our solar system, older than Earth. It could have been wandering the interstellar deep before the first star in Orion was born, which raises a question that no one can yet answer. Why now? What force sent it hurtling across the galaxy at such a speed and on such a precise trajectory that it would arrive here? Now, as 3I/ATLAS hurtles toward the inner solar system, scientists are asking whether this is the beginning of a new cycle or the continuation of an ancient pattern. Each object has been drastically different. Oumuamua was dense and rocky with no tail. Borisov was volatile rich, spraying carbon monoxide like a geyser. 3I/ATLAS is somewhere in between, active but oddly restrained. All three come from different angles. All three show unusual light curves, and all three challenge what we thought we knew about cometary formation. But here's the twist. Interstellar objects aren't just teaching us about where they came from. They're revealing something about our own place in the galaxy, their trajectories, their compositions, their behavior as they interact with the sun. They all suggest that the space around us is more connected, more alive than we ever imagined. And the more we watch them, the more it feels like we are the ones being observed. So where did 3I/Ateles come from? The clues lie in its structure and motion. Its hyperbolic path suggests an ancient expulsion from a distant system, possibly a red dwarf rich in carbon monoxide. The comet's deep red surface and volatile emissions hint at extreme cold, conditions that exist only in the outermost, slowest forming parts of a solar system. But here's where it gets truly bizarre. Some researchers suggest that objects like 3I/Ateles might not be entirely natural, that perhaps they are fragments, remnants of something bigger, maybe even manufactured. A few even go as far as to speculate. Could these be artifacts? Discarded relics of ancient civilizations long extinguished by time, signals we cannot decode, structures we cannot recognize. There's no proof, only patterns. But James Webb is watching. And as this object swings past Mars, past the Sun, and back into the unknown, we have only a narrow window to learn all we can. Because who knows how long it will be before another one appears, or what it might bring with it. As 3I/Atlas was tracked more closely, astronomers aimed to understand its spin. Using precision instruments from Las Cumbres Observatory, they analysed its brightness over time, searching for rotational variability. What they found added yet another layer of intrigue. The comet rotates once every 29 hours, a fairly slow pace for an object of its size and speed. But the real shock came from the light curve. It was flat. Only 0.2 magnitudes of variation across its entire rotation. That means the object reflects light almost evenly, without dramatic peaks or dips, suggesting an unusually symmetrical surface or a balanced structure. That's uncommon for comets, which are typically chaotic, cratered and lopsided. Some have speculated that this symmetry could hint at a deeply frozen, undisturbed surface, perhaps one that hasn't been exposed to star systems for millions of years. Others suggest it may not be as naturally formed as we assume. But what's most compelling is how much 3I/Ateles doesn't resemble its predecessors. It's been slower than Borisov. It's smoother than Oumuamua. And it's travelling significantly faster than either. These factors don't just make it strange. They make it singular, unique, an object that breaks the mould and therefore demands our full attention. As telescopes scanned its surface, researchers began searching for indirect signals, changes in magnetic fields, shifts in solar radiation, and variations in charged particle densities. And in one observation, buried in layers of electromagnetic noise, they found something, a faint but persistent pulse. It wasn't a signal in the traditional sense, no modulation, no frequency hopping, but a subtle fluctuation in the local magnetic environment. And in the same way, but a subtle fluctuation in the local magnetic environment. Every time 3I/Ateles changed angular position relative to the Sun, the background field warped ever so slightly, as if the object was subtly disturbing space around it. That could be due to its high speed, its volatile emissions, or perhaps something else entirely. This prompted a wave of theoretical models. Could it be shedding particles invisible to our senses? Could it be surrounded by a field of ionized gas, or even dark matter? Or, more dramatically, could it be reacting to the solar wind in a way we've never seen before? Because the James Webb telescope wasn't just observing 3I/Ateles, it was watching how the space around it changed. And in those interactions there was one conclusion few were ready to voice. Something about 3I/Ateles didn't just come from interstellar space. It remembered it. After months of tracking, researchers began using the discovery of 3I/ATLAs to update a fundamental question in astrophysics. How many interstellar objects are out there? The number was expected to be small, but 3I/ATLAs has forced a revision downward. With only one such object found in years of continuous observation, scientists now estimate the density of interstellar objects to be about 0.001 per cubic astronomical unit. That's staggeringly rare. It means the vast majority of space is empty of wanderers like this, which makes their recent appearances feel intentional. 3 in 6 years, all radically different, all appearing in windows where our observation capabilities had just matured enough to see them. Is this simply cosmic coincidence? Or are we part of a much larger system we haven't yet recognized? A galactic rhythm that operates in timescales far beyond ours? Maybe these aren't just travelers? Maybe they're messengers? Or, worse, monitors, because if the data is correct, 3I/ATLs shouldn't even be here. And yet it is, perfectly timed, precisely angled and moving faster than anything we've ever seen. Comparisons with Oumuamua and Borisov are inevitable. But what makes 3I/ATLs feel more ominous is not just its scale or speed, it's the context. In 2017, when Oumuamua arrived, we barely understood what we were seeing. In 2019, Borisov offered data but little clarity. Now in 2025, we face 3I/ATLAs with more tools, more precision, and more questions. It is red. It is massive. It is accelerating through the solar system on a hyperbolic escape route. And for a brief moment in time, it is close enough for us to observe before it vanishes forever. We don't know what it is, we don't know where it's truly from. But the more we observe it, the more we realize. 3I/ATLAs isn't just a piece of interstellar matter. It's a message in motion. A fragment of a story told across light years and billions of years of history. And now, that story is passing through us, whispering if we choose to listen. 10. In a cosmos ruled by silence and distance, 3I/ATLAs is a voice. A whisper from beyond the stars. It did not ask for attention. It did not broadcast a signal. It simply arrived, carved from ancient time, glowing with red light, spinning slowly, and crossing our system with more precision than chance should allow. The James Webb Space Telescope saw the patterns, the activity, the trajectory, and what it revealed wasn't danger in the form of collision or impact. It was something subtler, deeper, a challenge to what we thought we knew. A revelation that space is not just cold and empty, but alive with motion, memory, and meaning. What if interstellar objects aren't just rocks? What if they're records? What if they're warnings? And what if James Webb didn't just witness the arrival of 3I/ATLAs, but caught a glimpse of a much larger truth? As scientists continue to study 3I/ATLAs, they are contemplating its significance in the grand scheme of the universe. Could it be a remnant of a long-extinct civilization, a probe sent out to explore the galaxy, or simply a cosmic anomaly, a freak of nature that just happened to find its way into our solar system? The answers to these questions may take years, even decades, to unravel. But one thing is certain, 3I/ATLAs has forever changed our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It has shown us that there are mysteries out there, waiting to be discovered, secrets hidden in the vast emptiness of space, and it has reminded us that we are not alone. The discovery of 3I/ATLAs has also sparked a renewed sense of wonder and awe among the general public. People are captivated by the thought of an alien object hurtling through our solar system, and the possibility that it may hold answers to some of the greatest mysteries of the universe. This renewed interest in space exploration has led to a surge in funding for scientific research and the development of new technologies, but it has also led to concerns about the potential dangers posed by interstellar objects. What if 3I/ATLAs is not a harmless comet, but a deadly asteroid, or a hostile alien probe sent to destroy us? These questions have prompted scientists and policymakers to consider the possibility of future encounters with interstellar objects and the need to develop strategies for deflecting or destroying them if necessary. In the end, the discovery of 3I/ATLAs has shattered our preconceived notions of the universe and our place within it. It has challenged us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the cosmos, and to consider the possibility that there are mysteries out there waiting to be discovered. And it has reminded us that we are not alone. We are part of something much larger, something beyond our comprehension. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders. And as we continue to explore it, we may just find that it holds the answers to some of the greatest questions of all time. As 3I/ATLAs continues its journey through our solar system, it leaves behind a trail of questions and wonder. Will it continue on its hyperbolic trajectory, leaving our solar system behind forever? Or will it slow down, perhaps even be captured by the gravity of one of our planets? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: 3I/ATLAs has reminded us of the majesty and mystery of the cosmos, and the endless possibilities that lie beyond our own little corner of the universe. And as we continue to peer into the depths of space, who knows what other secrets we may uncover, what other voices we may hear, and what other stories we may discover. The universe is vast and full of wonder, and there's no telling what wonders lie waiting for us to find. In addition to the scientific studies and public fascination, the arrival of 3I/ATLAs has also sparked a cultural and philosophical conversation. Some have suggested that the object's existence challenges our understanding of our own place in the universe, and raises questions about the nature of life and consciousness. Others have used the object as a metaphor for the unknown, and the need to approach the world with curiosity and humility. Still others have seen it as a reminder of our own mortality and the fleeting nature of human existence in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Regardless of one's personal interpretation, there is no denying the profound impact that the discovery of 3I/ATLAs has had on both the scientific community and the general public. It has opened our eyes to the vastness and mystery of the universe and has reminded us that there are still many secrets waiting to be uncovered. And as we continue to explore the cosmos, we can only hope that we will continue to encounter objects like 3I/ATLAs, and that they will continue to challenge our understanding and expand our horizons. As 3I/ATLAs hurtles through our solar system, it serves as a reminder of the awe and wonder that the universe has always inspired in humanity. From the earliest cave paintings to the latest space missions, humans have always been drawn to the stars and the mysteries that they hold. And with each new discovery, each new question that is answered, we are reminded that there is still so much that we don't know, and that the universe is still full of secrets waiting to be discovered. So as we watch 3I/ATLAs continue on its journey, let us remember the awe and wonder that it has inspired, and let us continue to explore the cosmos with curiosity and determination. Who knows what other wonders await us out there, waiting to be discovered, waiting to challenge our understanding and expand our horizons. The universe is vast and full of mystery, and as long as there are stars in the sky, there will always be questions waiting to be answered. And as we continue to ask those questions, we can only hope that we will continue to encounter objects like 3i/Atlas, and that they will continue to inspire us, to challenge us, and to remind us of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our own little corner of the universe.